Okay, we're going to be just taking you through the visuals of leaders of the opposition who today had an... Okay, we're getting in a reaction right now from Ghulam Nabi Azad. Let's listen in.
Of opposition parties representing both the houses of the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, met Honorable Rashtrapati ji this afternoon. We have drawn the... we have given a detailed memorandum to Honorable President. So I will touch upon only the points of each heading. I'm not going to... We will give a copy of each, the memorandum so that you can write in detail. But I will touch upon only the headings of each para. We have drawn the kind attention of Rashtrapati ji to recent critical developments which have seriously undermined the accepted norms of governance and institutional integrity. The environment of fear and insecurity is prevailing in the country, and voices of dissent are being muzzled. In democracy, rule of law must prevail, but self-styled lumpen elements have indulged in violence, mob lynching of citizens, and harassment is being witnessed across the country. In the state of Rajasthan at Alwar, Jharkhand, number of incidents have taken place. In Vijaypara, Gujarat, Una in Gujarat, Dadri in UP, and Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir, and many more such places across the country. The critical appointments have been made arbitrarily, bypassing the Parliament and other institutions. Key bills are being disguised as money bills to bypass and undermine the constitutional position of Rajya Sabha. Non-BJP ruled states are being destabilized by misusing the powers of the governor, and artificial majority is cobbled up by unethical means, the recent examples being Goa and Manipur state. Malfunctioning and alleged tampering of EVM machines reported recently have raised questions on the sanctity of electoral process, particularly recently concluded elections. In this regard, the opposition parties met election commission, and they have taken note of it and have also promised us to hold all party meeting in this regard.